When I look in the mirror, I know there's no doubt I'm not like the rest. I don't need to check. There is no need. I am a different breed. I don't get high, so I don't get low. I don't make excuses. Strong enough to say no. Brave enough to say yes, even when it's hard, even when it's lonely, even when I don't feel like it. I don't follow, I lead. I am a different breed. I educate myself because, like Warren said, the more you learn, the more you earn. I'm obsessed with learning, with growing and developing, not with drinking, slowing, or accepting average. Screw that. I wasn't born a miracle to drop down to that. I've always known deep down I have more inside, more potential, more desire, more heart, more drive. I'm driving this beast as fast as it will go, straight to the top. I will not stop. I rise early, even when I don't feel like it. If you want the prize, you put in every single bit of effort, of sacrifice and discipline, every bit of your soul to reach that one big goal.
Others party, I work. Others settle, I push. Others slow, I accelerate. Others rest, I do not rest. Others take it easy, easy is for grandmas. I don't care what others do, I care what I do. I push the limits, I force myself to grow, because I know greatness will never come to those who take it easy. If I want to be great, I must push. I will push hard, every single day, no days off. I am a different breed. I am a different breed.
I don't know why people settle when there's so little time. I'm just glad I don't. Grateful I won't ever settle or accept anything less than giving my all. I will never rest, not until I'm 6 feet under. Half-hearted? What's that? I'm all heart. Yes, indeed. I was born. I live a different breed.
I am the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. Extraordinary work ethic, extraordinary focus. I won't give up. I fought off so many demons. Now they work for me. My demons drive me. Now I'm possessed by ambition. I am possessed by obsession. I am possessed by focus. I am possessed by drive, determination, purpose. I won't give up. I won't give up. I won't give up. Now it's my time. Time to work. You have to embrace the fact that you are different. To believe you are capable of more than the rest. To know without doubt you are capable of more. More than normal. More than others expect is possible. You have to know this world holds greater plans for you. You have to be able to go deep inside and pull something out that is not of this world. It is from another planet, another dimension.